Bonjour, how are you today? Comment allez-vous aujourd'hui? Nous préparons du cornichon au citron vert aujourd'hui. Hey, don't get confused. I'm just trying to say that we are making lime pickles today. For my lemon pickle, I'm going to use all these spices that I have roasted. I've used cumin, fennel, black mustard, yellow mustard, tiny mustard, dry red bird's eye chilies, fenugreek, asafoetida, and salt, black pepper, which has also been roasted. And then in the end, I will add caraway seeds so that it becomes a complete mixture. Stay tuned and I'll show you the entire process. I'm going to rough grind this as usual because it will take time for it to disintegrate into the lemon. This will help in preserving my lemon pickle for an entire year. And from a yellow lemon, it will turn into a black lemon. I forgot to mention one more spice, star anise, and a pinch of nutmeg also goes into this. And the main ingredient will be salt. A lot of salt will be stuffed into the pickle so that it gets preserved. In India, it was always believed that food should have medicinal value while being palatable and tasty at the same time. I am always in awe of the ingenuity and the inventiveness of the ancient people. How did they ever discover the pairing of spices and various kinds of foods and flavors together so that it forms not only a palatable mix but also helps in aiding health and well-being? Besides food and cuisine, my channel also focuses on holistic health, fitness, yoga, lifestyle, and travel. I shall continue my fitness and yoga journey once spring comes over. I will gather these on my glass bowl and I'll try to shoot outside on the terrace. So stay tuned and keep on supporting my channel. Recommend my channel to your friends. I'll try to keep on upgrading my shooting, my videography and my editing skills as I go along, and also improve the voice. Even though I have a very good mic, but it is not getting paired somehow with my camera. So there's an issue there, a technical error, but I have to use a microphone with a wire, which is what you occasionally see, and the shaky movements in the camera. So I'm sure you'll forgive me that small transgression in today's high-tech age where you have people literally, creating video production straight out of the studio. Mine is homemade. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be needing. So I'll begin by wiping the lemon, which has already been washed. Because it was in the fridge, I think it has collected a little bit of moisture, which it will dry out very soon as I clean it. I'll transfer it here onto the main bowl and transfer it back into the other bowl before I start cutting. And I hope you enjoy my videos. My only fear when making pickles and such is that there should be no moisture, not even a drop of it. If some moisture gets into it, I'm done. You know, the whole pickle, the whole batch will spoil, it will rot, and then there'll be no point making these delicacies. So I'm trying to improve on my production techniques, solo production techniques, and trying to make it as pleasant for you as possible to view, and also to garner and gather knowledge, you know. And that is my objective, as I keep on repeating myself. And in the end, I do get to enjoy, you know, the result of my hard labor. And this is work for me. Besides my painting, which I will begin again once the weather becomes a little better. At this point, it is too cold for me to start painting at any level. So I'll give the bowl also a good wipe, and I'll sun the lemon slightly for about 10 minutes before I start cutting. Stay tuned. Let's begin making the pickle. So I'm going to slit the lemon, not entirely through, but into 4 divisions, like so, you know, so that you have a slit inside where you can insert the spices, seeds and all. A lot of people remove the seeds. I don't. I like that slight bitterness in any pickle. I think it's one of the flavor mentioned also in Ayurveda, that you should have bitter in your food as well. Well, because the lemon is so large, I think I'll just half them rather than, you know, so that it fits into my bottle or my jar. I think halving it will be better. So I'm going to do it like this. And some I will do whole. I really need a proper kitchen knife. I can't stress that enough. And a sharp one at that.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
The view in a bit. Today is really sunny and I'm so happy being in the sunlight. It is truly a privilege and a joy to be able to enjoy sunlight, and I'm really grateful for that. Gratitude is important, and I'm putting in all the love that my ancestors must have put into making pickles like these. My hands, my eyes, my hair, my body, my cells are but a part of them, So this is also a tribute to the rich heritage that I come from, which I want to share with the world. What the world needs today is a lot of love. So I'll stop the video, I'll pause the video and I'll just go back in and get some more salt. So I got the salt and I'm going to finish the remaining lemons. Why do I call it lemons again and again? And these are limes. It doesn't matter really, lime or lemon. The end result is what is more important, I guess. Oh, there's too much of verbiage, which I don't want to really get into. So, in about a week's time, this lemon will reduce in size.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up